Alright, we're out at the house on Hayden Street in Independence. We got the camera all the way out to the city main, which is marked out in the street in green spray paint. It's 9 foot deep at this spot where the camera currently sits. So we're going to be recording it in reverse, starting at the city main, coming back. You can see the tap there. It's just a slight offset at the tap. It's just holding a little bit of water. So, just a reminder, the bottom of the screen does not equal bottom of the pipe. Bottom of the pipe is wherever the water is or the light's the brightest, which currently is up on the upper left corner of the screen. There's a joint there with the, you can see the cracking, the black kind of lines there where a chunk is falling out and there's a root ball pushing in. That joint seems okay there. You can see there's a lot of grease buildup inside the pipe. Flip the screen here. So the bottom is not the bottom of the screen. There's a little bit of a blow in there at that joint. That one's okay. That one's okay. A little offset there. Alright. There's kind of a drop off there. Dropping down. This section here is where a piece is missing out of the side, and I think is where the majority of the problems are. You can see there's mud creeping in from the hole there, and right here the side of the pipe is rotted out. And there's mud and some gravel getting into it here. And this is at the cast to clay connection, so this is up closer to the house. I'll mark that outside. We got some cast iron, and then we come back into some PVC, which is along the basement bathroom that's been added. So we're coming back towards the clean out, and then we go back to cast iron here on the way back to the stack. So now we're out of the pipe. So like I said, it looks like the majority of the problems and hang-ups cable-wise and with wipes and tampons and everything else is right at the cast of clay connection, like the first 10 feet outside the house, more than likely. I'll locate it, but like I said, just kind of normal problems the rest of the way, nothing super major. The distance the technicians were hitting when they were unclogging the backup were, you know, at about the 30-foot range from here, so that seems to be just outside the house, plus that's where all the backup material was. So we said we'll mark that outside, but that is the line from City Main back to the stack in the back wall of the house.